data computing, it is the very useful as the data being stored by the someone. It was very useful, but some of the disturbance were there.
Okay.
Was yes, sir. That's
Okay, so what I'm saying is that disturbance is not from our side. Maybe
yes, sir.
maybe because of some other person has unmuted and they have done some sort of chit chat. So sorry for.
Yeah, sir. It was not good. It was not good. That's why the reason, sir.
Okay.
Now, sir, I am very happy because previous conference was also I attended of the 5 days workshop
Okay.
from 13 May
Mhm.
to 17 May
Okay.
on this universal ethics value.
Okay.
So I know the Chevrolet Engineering College is very doing so much advancement.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you
Yes,
so
sir.
much. Thank you so much, Ramji. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ramji.
I am also lecturer in Government Polytechnic College, Raghugarh District, Guna, MP, in charge head mechanical branch.
Okay.
Yes.
Great, sir. Great, sir. We will always there. Means if not, we can connect with you. Don't worry.
Yes, sir. Please, sir. Sure, sir. Very thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you, Ramji.
Yes, sir.
And if anybody wants to talk, you can raise your hand. If anybody wants to talk with the resource persons, you can raise your hand. Sir, no one is waiting, sir. 1 second, sir. Dr. TV Sai Krishna. Sir, you are unmuted, sir. TV Sai Krishna Garu, you are unmuted. So, you can see, resource persons.
Hello, sir. It's, your session is very informative, very useful.
Thank you so much, sir.
And I would also like to thanks once again Chevrolet Engineering College for arranging such a wonderful session. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Sai Krishna, sir. And, sir, you can start, sir. Rajeshwar.
Yeah. So anybody who is still wanting us some sort of question, maybe if you want to know like how exactly the banking is going, or maybe if you have please some question, please raise your voice, because right now what is there, we can take your question up and then we can proceed. Yeah, means like I can see like somebody is raising their hand. So yeah,
Yes,
great. So yeah.
Yeah, I don't know the name, but it is named as Galaxy M30s. Sir, you are
Okay.
unmuted. Galaxy M30s, sir. I don't know the actual name. You just raise the hand so that you can speak with our resource person, sirs.
Please.
So you can unmute yourself, Galaxy M30. Please, you can unmute yourself and you can speak with us.
No, sir. I think he only muted himself, sir. I already unmuted him.
Yeah, that's what I know. I can see that. Yeah.
Yeah, sir. He unmuted himself.
Okay. So please rest all. Please, if you have any sort of question on the topic which we have presented, of any question on data science, data scientist, or any sort of use case study on big data, data science, please, yes, Kameshwari Suresh Pratha sir, please.
Yeah, sir.
Unmute him. Yeah,
he sir, unmuted, sir.
Yeah. So, Kameshwari sir, can you please unmute yourself and please speak? So, Dr. Srinivas Rao sir, can you please unmute yourself and speak?
Yes, sir. Srinivas Rao, sir, P, you are unmuted, sir. You can speak.
Sir, are you able to hear me, sir?
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
perfectly.
You are audible.
Yeah, good morning, sir. The session is very wonderful. I've been listening from morning onwards.
Okay.
The theoretical aspects related to data science are very good, sir. If possible, can you explore any specific application related to data science?
Yeah. We are planning on that as well, so don't worry about it.
The topics
We will be covering 2 case study in means like here.
Yes, sir.
Maybe today, if time permits, we will share 1 case study. If not, then tomorrow definitely, or maybe day after tomorrow, we will be sharing case study.
Yeah,
Don't worry about it.
Definitely, sir. So the topics are very nice, sir. So clearly understandable. So
thank you so much.
With the confusion things are there till now, but I cleared because of this session.
Okay, great.
Nice, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Kameshwari Suresh Pratap, sir, you are unmuted, sir. You can speak.
Good morning, sir. Thank you for
Good morning. Good morning.
Chabrol Engineering College has given a good, wonderful FTP session. You are giving a good knowledge, sir, experience. Sir, one question I am having. We want to become a good data scientist. To what extent machine learning and deep learning knowledge is essential, or it is?
So yeah.
we
So
have
if
more?
he wanted to, or maybe somebody wanted to become a data scientist, then you guys have to have some sort of knowledge on background, means basic probability and basic mathematics statistics. Okay, then you have that knowledge, then you can have some sort of knowledge on technology as well. Technology, when I am saying, like, you have to have some knowledge on Python and some knowledge on Excel. If you are very good in Excel, tell me please, you can come forward, I will definitely arrange something for you. Okay, so you must have to have some sort of knowledge on some sort of Python tool, you can say in Python, or maybe you can say in Excel, or maybe you can say some sort of R or MATLAB, anything. So these are the tool which is quite essential. If you have somewhat knowledge in mathematics and then you have knowledge on this, then make sure in you have to have some knowledge on business as well. Suppose you are coming into banking domain, so you have to have some background knowledge on banking domain as well. If you are going to insurance domain, then you have to have some knowledge on insurance domain as well. Maybe in which field you are currently working or you are there, then you have to have basic knowledge on that. I mean basic domain knowledge has to have, because if you have domain knowledge enough, then you can apply anything, because you are able to understand your problem statement very well. Okay, now once you get to know about your problem statement, you will able to approach it at any cost. Okay, now your approach is quite means like how is exactly you want to approach, you give an attempt on that. Then first, means as I said, business domain knowledge. Okay, then math, and then your technology, I mean just two languages enough. If you have Python, you have R something, then you can able to access anything, you can able to work on data scientist, means data science, any project, I must say any project. But from the beginning, you need to able to understand how the data engineering has to have, means has to done. Okay, so first, if somebody wanted to do any sort of data analytics tool or means data science
No.
project, you must get your
Chip,
hands dirty on picture engineering. Are you getting my point? Okay, then please move on to someone else. Please raise your hand. So Donika Chaudhary, you can mute. Yes, please go on. Donika Chaudhary, you are unmuted. Okay. So Dr. Bhavani Shankar Panda, you can, yeah, please.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Very good morning.
This is Dr. B.S. Panda from Visakhapatnam Raghu Engineering College.
Okay.
Yeah, very nice session, sir. This is today.
Thank you so much.
I'm having two doubts, sir.
Please.
First off, what are the softwares you have to install in our system, sir, for hands-on exercise?
So you just need, see, Excel everybody has. Excel
Okay.
everybody has. Then you have to have a Python.
Okay.
Okay. Next, once you have Python, once you have Excel, then you have to import basic libraries.
Right.
Okay, I have showed you basic libraries. Those two
Sir.
things you have, that is enough for you. Okay.
Okay, for cloud purpose?
For cloud purpose, where means on the 4th day onwards, we will tell you what software you need, how exactly software you need. So
Sure,
have patience, wait for that day, we will
sure,
show
sir.
you. Okay.
And
So
one more
worry
thing, sir. Sir, one more
yeah,
thing.
please,
Can you
please.
provide this PPT, sir, after class?
Yeah, so don't worry about it. We will provide you. Yeah.
Yes.
Sir, no problem, sir. Sir, no problem, sir. We are recording
Yeah, exactly.
entire
This is
session.
recording.
We are recording the entire session, sir. We will keep the session in YouTube, and the links will be forwarded to all the WhatsApp groups, sir. We already created 5 WhatsApp groups. So in these 5 WhatsApp groups, we will forward the YouTube links by the evening, sir. So you can watch at any time.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you,
and
thank
make us also means like included in that WhatsApp group, please. Okay?
Yeah, sir. I will include.
Okay, sir.
No
Right,
problem.
right. Great,
Great,
great.
great.
Okay, thank
So,
you.
yeah.
Thank you once more, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah. So another one who is raising hand, that's Suresh Kumar. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Could you please clear the screen? Some sort of disturbance.
Yeah. So
Someone is
so
writing
somebody
yes,
is
no, like
writing.
that.
I don't know because that control I don't have. Somebody is writing this screen. I don't know. So that
Okay,
is
okay, thank
not
you.
from my end.
Sir, no problem, sir. From the next
If you
sharing
don't, if you
screen
don't
also.
mind, if you don't mind, sir,
Yeah. 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 Please.
sir, if you don't mind, can you go slowly?
Sure. 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 I will. I will. Next time onwards.
Because
Yeah.
because of some sort of disturbance is there. I don't know whether it at my side or your
Okay.
side.
Okay. No. No. That is from some other side.
Can
I
you
must assure you because I am living alone, so you won't get any sort of disturbance from my end. Yeah.
can you go slow, sir? No,
Sure.
no
Sure. Sure.
problem.
Yeah. Nageshwar Rao, please go on.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, is there any difference
Sir,
R and Python? Is there any difference, sir?
Reference in.
R and Python. Generally, we use R and
Yeah.
Python
Yeah.
data
Yeah.
science.
Yeah. So, truly speaking, both are good in their own thing. Okay, either you can use R, either you can use Python. But in industry, everybody is using Python. Everybody, you can say most of them are using Python.
Why,
Okay,
sir?
why? Because Python has a good community support. I'm not denying on the fact like R is also having,
Okay.
but in the terms of suppose you are building some web application, okay, web API. Now it means you have to have some sort of trick on doing some sort of implementation using web API.
Okay.
Okay, web API you will get some sort of difficulty on that. But if you are building application on Python, okay, so your means like easily you can make web API for that and you can connect your ML model with that. Okay, and you know like there are multiple JSON and everything available. Means there are multiple things are available, so it can be easily integrate with that. Okay, so Python can be easily integrated with all the available because you know it's a well known and you know well known language, and in industry people are using from the long time, you can say.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
So
Thank
but if you are good in R, then it's not nothing stopping you
you. Okay.
to get your hand dirty on implementing any model, okay,
Okay.
and applying any data scientist tool or maybe data science. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
So who else is having? Please go on. Please, we will be. Otherwise, we will continue our session and then again because I wanted to show you few more things. Maybe I will give you some case study today, or maybe one case study I will show you now, and then we will means like work on it tomorrow. Means I wanted to see your approach. Okay, how exactly you will approach it. Okay. Yeah, great. Anyone else, please raise your hand. Otherwise, we will continue our session.
yes, sir, no one is raising the hand.
Okay, great, great, great. And sir, please, means I don't know from tomorrow onwards. Please make sure nobody can disturb this screen because I can see somebody is marking on it.
Yes, sir, no problem, sir. You have one option on the top right, sir. There is one option called as more.
Okay.
You,
Yeah.
if you click on that option and if you disable the participant annotation so that no one
Annotation. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Got it.
you have to click on disable participant annotation.
Yeah, I have done it. I have done it. Yeah.
From now itself, no one can disturb you, sir.
Okay, great. Thanks a lot.
Sharing the screen again, sir. Rajesh Verma, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm unmuted now.
Yeah, sir. You are just unmuted, sir. You can.
Yeah, Praveen, you can continue.
Yeah, okay, okay, great. Now, let us move on to NLTK. The NLTK module is a massive toolkit, okay, helping you with the entire natural language processing methodology. So, you might have a doubt like why sir is taking means this particular topic NLTK. Why? Because I must say, once I have built one of the bot that is known as um, ASD support bot. Okay, ASD support was it's a kind of bot which we have built in when I was in Bank of America. That bot is being built and with the help of this NLTK module only. Okay, so I will just give you some walkthrough on it, how exactly this model is being used. Now, helping you with the entire natural language processing methodology along with splitting sentences from paragraphs, splitting up words recognize the part of speech of those words, highlighting the main subject, and then even with helping your machine to understand what the text is all about. Okay, so this module is being used for this purpose. Now, once you move on, how exactly you have to use? You have to import NLTK. So for that, you have to just you write like Python -c import NLTK, Python -c import NLTK, and then you need to know what version of NLTK is being there. Now it will show you what exactly the version is. Now, if everything is fine, then you have to write import NLTK. First, you have to do pip install NLTK, or else if at all permits, then you have to do import NLTK, NLTK download. So it will download entire corpus. Don't worry about it. Now, NLTK has send tokenize as well. So send tokenize, how you will call that send tokenize is from NLTK.tokenize import send underscore tokenize comma word tokenize. So it will tokenize the sentence as well as word. Okay. Now let's say take one example. How exactly then? Hello, Mr. Smith. How are you doing today? These are the sentence. Now you do this particular exercise by your own, and tomorrow let me know what exactly the output you are getting. Okay, so you will get what if you will do send tokenize, it will read a sentence. So it will read sentence as hello Mr. Smith as in one sentence, then how are you doing today question mark as another sentence. Okay, now then Python is awesome, and Python is awesome is another sentence. Okay, and then the sky is pinkish blue is another sentence. So these are the sentence tokenized where you will get up. Now word tokenized is hello is one word, and Mr. is one word, Smith is one word, how is one word. So these are the tokenized in this manner. Okay, and from that, if you will tokenize word, then you can extract the keyword easily. You can make your own dictionary, and you can match with that which word is commonly is being used for in this word tokenize, and you can extract that word, and you can mark it as a important keyword. Okay, so this is the exercise which you can do by your own. You just need to follow two things. Let means if somebody has Python on in a system, please make a note of it. Okay, Python -c and all, and then make a note of this particular exercise which I am showing you currently. Do this exercise. This is a very small exercise, very simple exercise. Okay, now WordNet. Now WordNet has a entire corpus of word. Okay, suppose there are means multiple word which you just wanted to tag. Okay, so you need to use WordNet library. You have to use it like you have to import NLTK, then you have to download this, and this entire corporate is being downloaded. Okay, now synonyms using WordNet to get synonyms. So WordNet, why you have imported WordNet? Because WordNet will have all the dictionary, all the corpus it has. So suppose you are typing some wrong word, or maybe you are typing some synonyms. Okay, or maybe you want some synonyms of computer. Then you have to write these 5 lines of code, and you will get all the synonyms. So it's a very good, you can say it's a very good tool which is available as an NLTK. If you wanted to do something on NLP, you have to go through with these tools and these libraries, you can say. Okay, so just so see, you can see 5 lines of code is doing a lot of things. So if you will do computer, the output, you know what you will get, machine. Okay, machine you will get, computers you will get, and then supercomputer you will get, means all the synonyms which computing you will get. Okay, so these are the synonyms which are existing in the market, and means you will get entire thing with this. Now,
Possible to try this.
you should if you want, you can note it down and please try this. That's what I'm saying, like this is what means, like in the session somebody has asked, sir, can you have some sort of practical, can you show me practical? So you can say like it's a kind of practical. So these are the lines of code I have shown, means I am showing you the code only, so you can note it down. It's a means or you can get it from a recorded session, and you can just apply on your system. Okay, it won't take much time, and it's a pretty much simple step. Now next, antonym. So you wanted to get some antonym names of something, so you have to just specify this. So here I wanted to know antonyms of small. So what all the antonyms of small will come, that always means you can print from here. So it's a see, you can see hardly 5 lines of code is doing a lot. So you can imagine these are the things which can be used in AI NLP. So NLP, when you are building some bot or something, so this is I am showing because these are the code which I have taken from the my product, the product which I have built, that a support bot. That is the bot which we have created for production support. Okay. Now move on to the next slide. Stemming. So here stemming. Suppose you are always writing something work or maybe working. So you do the stemming, you will get the correct word. Okay. So work you will get, maybe worked you will get. Now lemmatizing also you can do that. So suppose you are writing some wrong word, you have wanted to correct a real word, existing real word. So you can do lemmatizing. So you will get lemmatizing from here onwards. Now, so this is all about this module. If you just give me a minute, I can give you one case study. How much time do we have right now left?
Sir, we have 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Okay.
10 minutes of
So,
time.
okay, great. So let me go through the one of the use case. Okay. So I will give you the use case. Otherwise, just first let me show everyone to Python installation setup. Okay.
And let everybody tie on
Yeah.
laptop.
So guys, are you able to see my this PPT? Python installation setup and IDs. Sir, are you able to see?
Yes, I am able to see.
We are able to see, sir.
Okay, great. That's great. Okay. Now, sorry. Let me close this. Okay. Let me view this on a PPT mode. Yeah. Okay. So now write it down, please, guys. Everyone, please write it down. How exactly the step is. So installation and setup. Now recommendation distribution is Anaconda, Python 3.5 and all, or now you can see like you will get 3.8 and all. Okay. Which platform, what platform are supported? So Windows, Linux or Mac, whatever platform. So guys, please, I am means keep on saying, please note it down. You have to download this. So what tools do we use? ID, Spider, Jupyter Notebook. So I will walk you through the all the IDs, how it looks like. Don't worry about it. Okay. Now, Windows installation is nothing but it's a quite simpler. Download the installer either on 32-bit or either on 64-bit. Depends on your machine. So install the .exe file and install and follow the instruction and installation as in desired. Okay. Now, for installation, you can see like how exactly you need to do from the installer. If you have installer, then you can download through the installer as well. Okay. For Linux, everybody can use this installer and you can write this particular bash anaconda 3 hyphen to the command. Okay. Now, so go to the this website anaconda.com, download and repo.continuum.io and download as you need. Okay. Now let us just have a quickly walk through the development environment. So these are the pretty much well-known famous IDE which currently we are using. Okay, so Jupyter Notebook. I'm most of the time I'm using this Jupyter Notebook, and then PyCharm. Okay, Spider is also I'm using. PyDev with Eclipse, you can use it, and Emacs, Vim, TextMate, Gedit, Idle, Pida, Notepad. So these are the editor in which you can write down your code and you can run. Okay. Now, so guys, if I am not mistaken, everybody is clear about the IDE. Okay, I will show you how exactly it looks like. So IDE Jupyter. Jupyter is just like this. Okay, so this is the screenshot of my system when I was working with I was working with Jupyter, or maybe you can say Ubuntu. So it looks like that. No, so you just need to here write, go to the new, and you will find new file, Python new file, and just you write it down your code. Okay. Now next is Spider ID. Spider ID is look like this. Okay, sorry, I have presented you the code here, but this code is very good. truly speaking, this is the scikit learn classify multiple categories. Okay, so maybe if time permits I will show you these kind of code as well. Okay, now so this is the spider which exactly looks like. So this was the previous version in 2.7. Now it is exactly similar way for next 3.x as well. Now Anaconda Navigator, which looks like this. Anaconda Navigator has multiple things. It has Jupyter Notebook as well. It has a spider as well. So don't worry about these things. You can get easy. Okay. Once you download Anaconda, you will get this Anaconda Navigator, and you can launch Jupyter Notebook. If you wanted to work on Jupyter Notebook, you can launch from here. If you wanted to work on Spider, you can launch that Spider. Okay. Now PyDev with Eclipse is look like this. So you just take this kind of if many of you have worked on Eclipse for Java, I am pretty much sure. If you haven't worked on it, it's the Eclipse version for, you can say, Python. Okay, that's all from my side. Means this is what I wanted to show you. And so for tomorrow, what we can do is we can do one thing. For tomorrow we will have another session which we will go through you know, how exactly in data science what all aspects are there, and how we will use. Means I will walk you through some of the case study. Means I have already noted down case study. If you want me to show currently one of the case study, I can show you. You just note it down that case study for the purpose, but I will walk you through this case study maybe tomorrow or maybe next.
Sir, somebody wanted to speak with you, sir. Somebody raised their hand, so I will.
Okay, please. Yes, please.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. Can you provide these PPTs and softwares to our mail ID, sir, so that we can download it very easily without going to the Google and all?
So,
Hello?
sir, you can. Okay, this particular slide you are talking about, this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
so that is not at all an issue. We can provide you this, but if you don't mind, you can note it down here as well. And see, this entire session is being recorded, so you will easily get the link of that. So you can
Okay, sir.
quickly move forward, and you will easily get into this page, and you will find it out what exactly the software we need to install. So I must say here, Python 3.8 onwards you can install. Please don't go to 3.5 or.
Yeah, okay, sir. But it is better to provide the link now, so that by that
Okay,
link we can
no,
download very
no
easily.
worries. So maybe I will forward
Okay,
you
sir.
the mail to sir, the host
Okay, sir.
who is there. So I will forward
Okay,
you
sir.
this particular. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you for.
Okay, great.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank
great. So, sir, means like maybe we can have a quickly some, if somebody has another doubt or maybe few doubts, we can quickly wrap up. Because what I'm thinking, like, let us show the case study tomorrow only, because we have two case study. I wanted to show and I wanted to share with you guys. So let us share the case study tomorrow, and I wanted you to make an attempt so that on the third day, tomorrow is the second day, so maybe day after tomorrow we'll have third day. On third day, I want each and everyone to give an attempt to the case study. So I'm not going to show you now. Maybe tomorrow I will show you the case study, and then we will start our session onwards. Okay. So it's not at all issue. So guys, please means like download these things and give a try to the code which I have showed you. Those are very small line of code, but still you can have a try on that. And please don't worry, we will be sharing you the different code as well. I mean to say, if you want logistic regression implementation, linear regression implementation, classification, decision tree, whatever, if you want that also, we will be sharing the code as well. So don't worry about it. Maybe we can walk through, we will give you some sort of walkthrough to the code as well. So don't worry much about it, because today it was a quite you know, setting up something for you guys, so that you can well aware about what is going to be, why we are going to read about this entire thing, and from the next couple of days, or maybe you can say next 4 days, are for that only, because everything is in one place, even in cloud, even in data analytics, everything, even in ML and all. So you have to have some sort of knowledge. Even me and Rajesh are always open to work with you guys. If anybody is having any problem, maybe you can come up with us, and you can say like, sir, I want to implement this in Python, or maybe in machine learning, or maybe something. Please be in touch with us. Let us know your problem statements, and if you means like, if you're not able to find problem statement, please sit with us, and we will definitely work out how that you can make your problem statement, how that you can figure it out, what need to be done. So please don't shy and nothing. You will have our mail ID. Sir, can you please share my mail ID with them, and Rajesh Verma mail ID with them, so that they can be in touch. If somebody wanted to write some paper, research paper, please let me know, because even we have a lot of papers which are already available in the market, or maybe online, you can say. So you can go to my Google Scholar website, Google Scholar homepage as well, and you can see their paper and patents are available. So don't worry about it. That's what I wanted to show. Rajesh, you wanted to say something?
At present, Rajesh is unavailable, sir. At present, Rajesh sir is unavailable, so we can conclude the session for today, and tomorrow morning
Okay.
we'll start the
So,
session.
sir, can you please share, means like, maybe after this call, I will share this particular PPT installation and setup with you. Okay.
Okay, sir. I will add you in one group, sir. You share that
Okay.
PPT in that group. So I will
Yeah.
share that PPT in the remaining groups also, sir.
Okay. Okay. And one more thing, means just from tomorrow onwards, we'll be having some sort of case study as well.
Okay, sir.
So means this is how we will go. And one more thing, I just want means everybody to be on same page. Please to install everything whatever requires. Okay. And if time permits, we will give you walkthrough of 1 or 2 case study as well, or maybe practical approach of everything. Okay. So guys,
So,
please.
Sir Suresh Kumar CH is waiting to speak with you, sir.
Okay, please.
Suresh Kumar, sir, you are unmuted.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Please.
Good evening, sir. This is Suresh Kumar.
Yeah. Good.
Sir, I have, few months back I have installed Python 3.6.2
Okay.
directly from python.org
Okay.
website. Is it enough, sir, or we go for what are recommending to download from?
No. That is okay. If you have downloaded 3 version, that is okay. 3.x.x is fine.
Yeah, sir. That is what I have already
Great.
installed. That one.
Then no problem. Then you can try my whatever code I have shared with you. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Anyone else, please?
Ramesh Bhushan, sir, you are unmuted, sir. Sorry for the delay. You are unmuted, sir. Ramesh Bhushan, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Please.
Namaskar. I am from linguistics background.
Okay.
On and off, I am working for Appen or Lionbridge or CDAC. Whenever I will get opportunity to work from them along with guidelines, I am working for this NLP related.
Okay, great.
So as a linguist, if I want to enter in this data science or artificial intelligence side, what kind of subject knowledge I have to improve or learn?
Okay. So you have to have some sort of, if you already have subject knowledge, that is enough.
Linguistics, basic core general linguistic knowledge I have, and specific to my mother tongue Telugu.
Okay.
I can work something for Hindi and Kannada also, but it is my mother tongue Telugu I will work.
Okay.
Structure, semantics, syntax, morphology, phonology. It's my mother tongue. I am as a linguist. I equipped with all these things.
Okay. Great. Great. So you don't have to worry. So still, if you want us to give some help to you, so please be in touch with us. Means we will be available for any time, you can say. Okay. So
yeah. If you share your email address and mobile mobile numbers, it's helpful.
Sure. So mobile number is mobile number is already I have given you in the slide. I don't know means whether you have guys.
I have taken one number. 518 is ending.
Yeah, right. That is my mobile number.
Okay.
That is my mobile number. And please, sir, can you please share my mail ID with them?
Okay, sir. Tell me your mail ID, sir.
Yeah. So
because I am still working in general linguistic area and language documentation area and working for tribal languages. We used to use some other tools, lexicography tools and some other sort of dictionary making, grammar tools like that.
Great. No worries. You be in touch with our mail ID. Let's see means how exactly we can means figure it out the things, and maybe we can help you. Okay. So don't worry about it. Okay. We will do that. Sir, please share our mail ID as well as our. Your voice is quite breaking. I don't know why. So can you give a chance to some other guy, please? Arun Kumar Rath.
Yeah, sir.
I am from
this
Arun Kumar Rath, you are unmuted, sir. Arun Kumar Rath. Ramesh Bhushan, sir, please unmute yourself. And one more person is waiting, sir. Hey Nageshwar, sir, you are unmuted. Hey Nageshwar, sir, you are unmuted.
Can I ask now?
Yeah, please.
You can proceed, sir.
You are continuing with case studies, sir.
Yeah. Maybe tomorrow I will continue with the one case study.
Yeah. My doubt is because in all the cases, anyway, you are working under this, you have well-known knowledge, but we don't have any knowledge how the commands are used, where those commands are used, because we are using the commands in the same flow. In this, almost all the commands are same for all the case studies, I think.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So kindly explain all the commands in the sequence.
Okay.
Then we can understand and we note it down. So in future, whenever we want to do any project or any work, we will apply.
Okay. So sir, don't worry. What I will do, I will start with the some basic knowledge again. Okay. Don't worry about it. I will share the case study problem statement. That's it. Okay. First, I will share the case study problem statement. Then I will go to the entire thing, entire flow, and then rest we can have a proper attempt on it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So don't worry about
it. Thank you so much, sir.
Arun Kumar Rath, sir. Arun Kumar Rath. Okay, sir. We will. Arun Kumar.
Okay, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Okay, I am from GIT University, Guntur, Rayagada.
Okay.
Actually, my question is that can we apply this means big data concept?
Yeah.
Means in this artificial intelligence, anything.
Okay.
In solar energy sector.
Yeah, there are a couple of work which is going on that. Means like even I have seen like there are few people who are doing into that. So I don't know. Means like in what perspective are you talking about? And means like if you have something on
optimizing purpose, I want to use this artificial intelligence.
Yeah, there are a couple of attempts on it because I know like there are ML people are working on it as well. So even if you have something on it on your plate, or maybe you can say like if you have some data on it, please let me know. Means like we can collaborate and we can do something on it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I will share my link also.
Sure. Another one, Kolabtulu Suresh Kumar, please unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. You are unmuted, sir. Suresh Kumar, sir.
Suresh Kumar, sir, please unmute yourself.
Suresh Kumar, sir, you can speak.
Hello, myself K. Suresh Kumar.
Yes, sir.
I am from Vizag, working as an assistant professor in Avanti Research and Technological Academy. It is nice meeting you, sir. You are given by the class is very good and explanation is well. So, if you have more time to explain, I will very happy because of time factor very fastly going.
So don't worry, Suresh. We'll do one thing. Tomorrow we'll have a session. So maybe I'll recap quickly if possible. And tomorrow also we'll give you a basic background and how exactly the algorithm and what exactly the algorithms are. And we will give you the walkthrough as well again. Okay, so don't worry.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Sir, let us conclude this session, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah.
So we request all the participants to be here for tomorrow morning session. It will be started exactly at 10 a.m. We are very sorry for the inconvenience what was caused today. Unfortunately, we made one participant as host and we are unable to contact him. That's why we got the delay of 7 minutes of disturbance in our present day meeting. So from tomorrow onwards, we will sure we don't have any disturbances and we will continue by sharing the knowledge. And thank you very much, Praveen sir, and
thank you so much. Thank
you very much, sir, for your presentation.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay.
We are closing the meeting.
Okay.
Have a good
Yeah,
day.
yeah. Please do that. Thank you so much.